Hi everyone, and welcome back to GP Automotive and Diecast. Well, today I bring you this 1996 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. This is a 1/18 scale model made by Ertl from the American Muscle series. This is also a convertible model, as you can see. It has no roof. Mixed opinions about this car. Some people don't really like the look of it. I think I like the look of it, but it kind of looks like a catfish to me, kind of. But I do like the design of it. It's probably the least liked generation of the Camaro, in my opinion, based on what I've seen and read. But this was a pretty good model from Ertl. I think they did a pretty good job on it overall. And if you didn't, go watch my, not previous video, but about 2 videos ago, I did a unboxing of this Camaro. And this is going to be the review of the Camaro. So go ahead and start off with the front of the Camaro. I think Ertl did a pretty good job with the overall look of this Camaro. The headlights are weirdly not like, I can't really explain it. They're not headlights, or they're not even glass. It's just kind of a plastic piece that's kind of molded to look like a headlight. Not too big of a deal, and you can't really see it with this design of car. You do have like kind of fog lights down here, as well as like some air indicator lights or something right there, and your Camaro badge. Some vents on the hood right there with some lines of the car. You do have the opening hood as well. And pretty good engine detailing, actually. Really good engine detailing from Ertl here. Have some of the belts, the intakes, the engine block, and some of those goods that you have alternator right there, and some very good detailing actually for a 1/18 scale model. Of course, Ertl does not make 1/18 scale cars anymore. They used to back in the day. Integrated mirrors like the real car, kind of a cool looking aerodynamic design. Very nice wheels over here with the Z28 badge right there. Nice wheels. Of course, you have opening doors. And looking in the interior, very obviously early 2000s, 90s looking, plasticky GM interior, but nothing too crazy to say about it. Although it is pretty good detailed wise. Seats are great detail, and there's some steering to it, I believe. Kind of hard steering to do, but not too big of a deal. And most people display these cars anyway, so you know, not too big of a deal there. But you have some integrated sun visors into the glass right there. You have pedals. It looks like this is a manual. I guess a 5 or 6 speed, probably a 5-speed. You have back seats, very small back seats, but there is, like I said, pretty good detailing on this, I guess, leather pattern right there, so that's pretty cool. Gauge cluster is actually pretty well detailed. You have the air vents and the radio and the climate control settings and some of the vents, as well as the airbag logo on the steering wheel, and the pretty well detailed gauge cluster. Some access buttons over there. Nice kind of material flooring, all just a smooth plastic flooring throughout, so nothing too great there. Very nice detailing actually on this black cover, I'm guessing, for the top. Pretty good detailing there. So overall, it's pretty good detailing on this car. Paint is actually very nice on this model. Ertl back then was kind of a Maisto quality, and you know, don't expect too much from this model. Like I said, it is kind of a Maisto Brago type quality throughout, but back here you don't have an opening trunk, but you do have a spoiler back here like you'd see on the real Z28 Camaro. Pretty detailed tail lights here. Camaro badge. Z28 badge. 2 pegs, but nothing crazy. Pretty cheap looking exhaust, but they're done in kind of a chrome. Not bad though. Michigan license plate, pretty cool. And on the door panel, we have pretty decently detailed. We have the door handles, some of the material more. Again, it looks like maybe a manual window crank or some sort of door release maybe right there. I would assume this has power windows and locks and stuff like that, just because it is the Z28, which is a performance package. So pretty good detail throughout. Dog ledge hinges for the doors. Rolling chassis. No suspension though. Definitely not a toy by any means, but so under here you actually have pretty good detailing throughout the exhaust and some of the wheel setup, the floor panels, the engine block, and some of the suspension pieces and stuff like that. And right there you just have the Ertl logo. See if I can get my flashlight on. There we go. Licensed by GM Corporation. 1996 Chevrolet Camaro. Ertl. So you actually have some really good detailing. You can see through all the way to the top. See with those fans right there, the radiator, some of the belts, drive belts, and things like that. So actually really good detailing throughout, especially undercarriage and engine bay. Very good, detail throughout there. Exterior could use a little more detailing maybe. Engine bay, great. Interior, pretty good. Obviously this is a old model, and some of the features like this steering does not work too great. Of course, this was actually never out of its box till recently, so it's been in a box for many years now, so can't expect too much in the aspect of working features and them working great, just because it's been, since 1996 that this was made. So, and this one specifically was kept in its box its whole life till now, so things to keep in mind there. But of course this is a period correct teal color, which I like. Definitely fits the car. Integrated windshield wipers there and the windshield wiper cowl. I did wish the trunk opened, but can't expect too much. This is kind of a budget model, I would say, kind of with a Maisto quality slash Parago. Lower end, but not super bad or anything like that. No orange peel or rash or anything here, so good paint detail. Even throughout the years, it has definitely kept up with some of the quality of today's paint. Obviously, it's not the greatest, but once again, from 1996, so actually from 1995, so Put in the comments down below what you think about this model, or this generation of Camaro, and what your opinion is on Ertl, the manufacturer for 1/18 scale cars, and which one's your favorite that they made from this American Muscle series. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the subscribe button. If you liked the video, definitely hit the like button. It definitely helps with the videos. Of course, there will be more content like this to come, with unboxings, reviews, and hunting videos. Of course, with some occasional car reviews here and there. So definitely some fun stuff to look forward to. Maybe some Costco season of cars will come in through the next maybe month or so. So stay tuned for that Costco run for Maistos, and that'll be posted probably within next month or the next month after that, September or October. So fun stuff coming up, and a lot of stuff to look forward to. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching.